A pregnant teen who crossed the border illegally was stopped from getting an abortion.
An appeal filed late yesterday halted a federal judge's order granting permission to transport her to a clinic. The case has gained national attention. Channel 5's Valeria Gonzalez reports.
A D.C. Court of Appeals will be considering whether they'll be allowing the teen known as Jane Doe to have the shelter step aside and allow her to get the procedure. State courts have legally granted her permission to receive it, but she's under a federal shelter that has prohibited transportation to the clinic. The American Civil Liberties Union represented the teen, who is in a Bronxville shelter, in federal court. She received a judicial bypass from the state last month. The American Civil Liberties Union is working to get her to her appointment. Today, she was able to go to the state-required pre-abortion counseling. The three-panel judge will be deciding if they will allow a temporary restraining order stay. That will keep the shelter from prohibiting transportation. Jane Doe is 15 weeks pregnant. Her advocates say the wait is creating a more sensitive situation for their client.
It's not as simple as abortion is legal to 20 weeks in Texas. Because at this stage of a pregnancy, once you're past 10, 11, 12 weeks, every week that an abortion becomes more invasive, more painful, more expensive, more uncomfortable.
The state would not be paying for this abortion. It would be covered by the nonprofit organization Jane's Due Process. This wouldn't be the only pregnancy that ends in termination at such shelters. According to court documents filed by ACLU in 2014, 726 minors under the care of the Office of Refugee Resettlement were pregnant. 5 of those ended in terminations, with 4 of them funded by the ORR. In 2015, about 450 minors were pregnant. 12 ended in terminations. 6 of them were funded by the ORR. Documents the ACLU obtained from the ORR explain pregnancies happen either in home countries through rape or consensual relationships, sexual assault en route, or even assault once in the U.S. under federal custody. The ACLU filed a class action suit that would keep shelters from obstructing, interfering, or blocking a minor's access to abortion. Jane Doe is its representative on this issue. Although her case goes before an appellate court tomorrow, the class action suit against the federal government continues in a California federal court. In the studio, Valeria Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 10.